Hello and welcome back. How are we doing? I have a shirt on today. I didn't want to do my hair again. This is becoming a trend, but I think I'm okay with it. Today we're going to try the Megalast, the Wet n Wild Megalast Incognito Concealer. I think this is new, and I don't know, packaging looks kind of boring, but I like it because it's sleek, so I don't know. And I don't think I've tried anything from Wet n Wild, so I thought I'd give it a go. Let's go ahead and read about it. Okay, so on Ulta's website, it is the Megalast Incognito All Day Full Coverage Concealer, and it is $5.49. It says Conscious Beauty at Ulta, cruelty-free. The Wet n Wild Megalast Incognito Concealer delivers all-day wear and buildable matte medium to full coverage. This formula is your new undercover agent, fully concealing imperfections under sunlight or spotlight. Take it to day or night, honey. Details: cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan. Features all day, ultra long lasting wear. Lightweight, matte, and buildable medium to full coverage. Key ingredients: nourishes with licorice root extract, shea butter, mango seed butter. Okay. I love that they have they try to say that they have good ingredients in concealer. I don't know how much I believe of that, but to conceal, how to use. To conceal under the eyes, draw a triangle shape from inner corner of the eye, outer corner of the, and outer corner of the nose. That doesn't make any sense. And blend. Okay, cool. Let's get this bad boy opened. Okay, so like I said, here's the component. I got shade, I got shade medium honey. And this is the doe foot. Kind of looks like the Maybelline one. They're doing like the flat edges. And then we'll swatch it. Looks like could be a pretty decent color match. Doesn't really smell like anything. Maybe a little like paint thinnery. Okay, cool. Well, let's go ahead and just apply this bad boy to one side and see how we like it. Per usual, so we're gonna do 2 dots on this side, and we're gonna blend, of course, with the Morphe M173. I think I did pretty good on the shade match. Drag it down just a little bit. All right, so this is the done side. I don't know how much it's covering, to be honest with you. It looks nice on the skin, but I don't know how much it's covering. So again, let me try to build this up like I typically do. We're just gonna do just a little bit more here, right there, to try to build it up and just concentrate it in that area. I think that helped a little bit. Yeah, this isn't bad. Again, it's not blowing my mind, but it's not bad. Okay, let's try it on the blemishes. Although I'm happy to report that most of my blemishes are starting to go away, so that's very exciting. But we're still going to test it out to see what we can cover here. See, they're starting to go away. This is a very exciting moment in my life. Maybe not for you, but for me. Just dropped it. Okay, let's go ahead and blend. Yeah, it definitely softens the imperfections. Oh, wow, yeah. It's definitely softening them. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so done side, undone side. I kind of like it. Yes. I kind of like it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do this other side and then we'll be right back. Okay, we're done. This is the finished look. I tried to bring it here onto this little imperfection, but it was getting a little flaky. I think it has nothing to do with the concealer. This side blended a lot better than the other side and a lot easier. On initial application, I'm digging this. I like it enough that we're going to wear it and see how it does throughout the day, and I will come back for a final check-in. But we are off to a really good start, and I'm really excited that this is only like $5.90. How much was this? $5.99? $5.49 at Ulta. Hello. This may be a good one. Okay. Yeah, so I'll be right back, and I will give you guys an update on how we're doing. Okay, I'm out running errands, and I apologize. The camera on my phone is not as good, but I just wanted to show you, this is really good, and I'm vibing on it. I guess now that I'm looking at it up close, it does look like a little bit crusty right there. Basically, the moral of the story is I'm vibing on this quite a bit. Let me turn the air conditioning up. It's probably really loud. Let me turn it off. I'm vibing on this quite a bit. It's not perfection, but for $5.50, like if you're looking to get it done on a budget, this is not bad. It's not, I compare everything to the Morphe 2 concealer. It's definitely not that, but it is really good for $5.50. Let me tell you that. So anyway, just wanted to wrap that up before I go to the gym and get super sweaty and I just look like a hot ass mess. I was thinking about that in the car. I'm like, actually, I don't want to go back and film my recap after I've gone to the gym and I just look disgusting. More disgusting than I already look. So anyway, yeah. So that's the end of my review for the Wet n Wild Incognito. It's pretty good. I give it maybe a 7 out of 10. 7 or 8 out of 10, which is pretty good. So thank you so much for joining me on this review. If you need any real estate help in the Denver metro area, I can help you with apartment leasing. I can help you with buying. I can help you with selling. I am your man. All of my contact information will be down below. Thank you again so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.